Number 4. Garlic. Garlic has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. It is believed that garlic was first domesticated in China around 5,000 to 7,000 years ago for its healing powers. Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and many other cultures have used garlic for treating various ailments throughout history. During the Middle Ages, garlic was even used as a treatment for the plague. Of course, we now know that this was not very effective. But garlic does have some powerful antimicrobial properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its pungent odor and flavor. Allicin is also what gives garlic its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Allicin is released when the garlic is chopped or crushed. So if you're using garlic for its medicinal properties, it's important to chop or crush it before consuming. One of the most studied uses for garlic is for treating high blood pressure. Several studies have shown that garlic can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is likely due to garlic's nitric oxide boosting effects. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps to relax blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Garlic also contains compounds that help to inhibit the activity of certain enzymes that are involved in the production of angiotensin II. Angiotensin II is a hormone that causes blood vessels to constrict, so inhibiting its activity can help to lower blood pressure. Another condition that garlic has been shown to be effective in treating is a lipid profile, which is a measure of the amount of fats, including cholesterol, in your blood. High levels of certain lipids, such as low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, and triglycerides, can increase your risk of developing heart disease. Studies show that garlic can help to reduce LDL, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. This is likely due to garlic's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to the development of heart disease. In addition to its effects on blood pressure and cholesterol levels, garlic also has other benefits that make it an effective natural remedy. For example, garlic is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a process that occurs when your body is trying to heal itself from an injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to tissue damage and disease. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help to reduce inflammation in the body and prevent this type of damage. Garlic is also a powerful antioxidant, which means that it can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of many diseases, including cancer and heart disease. By protecting your cells from free radical damage, garlic can help keep you healthy and reduce your risk of developing these diseases. Another benefit of garlic is its ability to boost the immune system. A healthy immune system is essential for staying healthy and fighting off infections. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can help boost your immune system and make you less likely to get sick. And when you do get sick, garlic can help speed up your recovery time. There are many ways to incorporate garlic into your diet. You can add it to soups, stews, and stir-fries, or you can use it as a spread. You can also take garlic supplements if you don't like the taste of garlic or if you find it too strong. However, it's important to note that garlic supplements don't have the same medicinal properties as fresh garlic, so it's best to use fresh garlic whenever possible. Like any other natural remedy, there are some potential risks associated with using garlic. Garlic can cause stomach upset, gas, and bad breath. Garlic can also interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications. If you're taking any medications, it's important to talk to your doctor before adding garlic to your diet. In conclusion, garlic is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. It has been shown to be effective in treating high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other conditions. Garlic's blood pressure-lowering effects are likely due to its ability to boost nitric oxide levels and inhibit angiotensin-converting enzyme activity. Garlic is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant, which makes it effective in treating conditions caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, garlic can help boost the immune system, making it effective in preventing and treating infections. When using garlic for medicinal purposes, it's important to chop or crush the garlic before consuming it to release allicin. Garlic can be incorporated into your diet in many ways, including in soups, stews, stir-fries, and as a spread. While garlic is generally safe, it may cause stomach upset, gas, and bad breath. It can also interact with certain medications, so it's important to talk to your doctor before adding garlic to your diet. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and share for more informative content about health and wellness. Stay healthy.